Guys, if
What
you
is
let
this?
it is come our
It's
package.
just
That one is mine.
lilacs.
That one is yours.
Wow, guys,
So-
look what we've got
From Landsmart.
from Landsmart.
And then
Let me see. Oh God, this is beautiful. This is beautiful.
I mean,
Oh my God.
you see the fashion, yo. Now it's truly pimping it up. So we have Zusha ourselves up.
Just look at me.
Look at
How
me.
do I look?
Look at me. Why you look at Dolly? Why you always want to take the limelight?
No, because you told bro I have to be also in there. How do I look, girls?
So-
this is Landsmart.
In the caption is the link. Please click on. You can get a discount while buying these beautiful glasses.
You really?
That's
Did you hear that?
Don't take time. Go on now.
Just go there
But still, I said
and
mine
find
is better.
yourself one.
I said mine is nicer than
Can
yours.
buy any. Mine is beautiful than yours.
Yeah, son.
Oh, guys, did you hear that?